Hey, it's Heather. I'm in the kitchen today. I just pulled this hot pan of homemade sweet cornbread out of the oven. And if you'd like to know how to make your own, stick around and I'll show you step by step how I made this beautiful pan of sweet homemade cornbread. If you're looking for a sweet cornbread recipe, this might be the one for you. If you're just out of your Jiffy Mix and wanting, don't want to run out to the store and want to make some, you may have all the ingredients in your kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and cut my oven on 400 degrees. I have my cast iron pan. I have my cast iron pan in the oven. I'm going to let it preheat in the oven. Okay, so this recipe will fill up my cast iron pan. I have 2 cups of cornmeal and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And 1 1/3 cup of sugar. 2 1/2 tablespoons of baking powder. 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 cups of milk, and I'm going to add 2 eggs to that. And I made a bit of a mess, so I'm going to move that to my bigger measuring cup back there. Spilling a little more milk, that's okay. All right, so 2 cups of water, 2 eggs. And then I have 2/3 cup melted tallow, but you could use anything, any kind of oil you want to. Olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, whatever you have that you want to use. When you cook at home, you can be flexible with some ingredients. And then I'm just going to mix this all together. My milk was cold, so looks like my oil got a little chunky, but that's okay. Okay, my pan is already nice and oiled. We're going to pop this in the oven at 400 degrees. Alrighty, our cornbread is out of the oven. I was just rubbing some butter on it. It is ready to eat. I did bake it at 400 degrees for 30 minutes, and then I turned it down to 350 for about 10 minutes until my internal temperature read 190 degrees. And or you could check it with a toothpick. Nothing sticks to your toothpick. It's usually done. Alrighty, well, that's it for me. I hope this inspired you to make something for yourself. If it's not cornbread, maybe it's something else that you can do for yourself that you don't have to run to the store and buy. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything and helps us out a little bit. Thanks so much for watching, and see y'all next time.